His sister say better here, babe.
Yeah, see the snowman? Oh, she's sitting down?
Yeah.
Ah,
Look at that. It's so cool.
look at that, a motorcycle, huh?
Star.
Oh, look, it's a Ferris wheel, babe.
Don't be a Ferris wheel.
See the Ferris wheel? Michael Dion? Hey, look, there's the Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel.
Wow, nice, huh?
Dion went to the Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
And the bus. There's a bus right here, too. School bus.
A school bus. Christmas school bus.
Mhm.
That's right.
More stars. There's Frosty, buddy. Look, Michael, who's that? Looks like Frosty the Snowman, don't it? Look. Here. Fussing around with the buttons. Honey. Reindeer. See the reindeer? Yeah, this guy, baseball player. And another bus. Socks. Alright. Like Santa's playing golf. Huh? That's Santa on a tractor, buddy.
Don't be distracted.
Yeah, Santa's tractor.
Wisconsin.
Yeah, there's a star on top of the Christmas tree. He sees a star. Look at, they got a campfire. Santa's roasting marshmallows.
Star! Yay! Oh, happy baby.
She don't miss those stars, does she?
Yeah.
There's an elf with a candy cane. What else we got here?
What else did you get?
There. Oh, another star. Look at that.
Look at the big star and the angels. See, stars. Yeah, railroad crossing, Dion. Look. Hey, Michael, with
What's
Santa.
the railroad crossing?
Right there. Look to the right, Michael. See?
Over here to the light.
Yeah.
Navy Christmas.
There's Frosty the Snowman again with with an umbrella. An eagle. Pretty cool.
Wow, star!
Yeah, we got a snowman in a band.
Yay!
Reindeer. Huh? Oh, did we lose them? Oh, they're behind us. They're just taking their time like we are. Enjoying everything.
Yeah, it's their first time here. When I was first time here too, I was whoa,
Like really slow,
like
yeah.
that,
Lot of lights.
Yeah, good thing.
That's that a fire truck or a
Who
school
thought,
bus?
babe, that you said, babe?
What, me?
Yeah, you did because I didn't remember
I what?
that we have like this.
Yeah,
That we have like this here.
yeah. Who told you? One of your friends?
No, I mean to Dan tonight. Last
Yeah, I
night.
reminded you.
Yeah. So you did that.
Yeah, there's the Peanuts character, Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown.
Watch the road so I don't run nothing over. Another dump truck. Alright.
Look at that, a lot of lights here.
Another star. She don't miss it. Now look at this. That is. Look at Santa's motorcycle. Pretty cool.
There's 1 million lights.
Oh, wait till she
1 million
sees the
lights,
stars.
yeah.
There's like 3 here. Star. There's like 3 here, honey. Look. Santa's motorcycle. Yeah. You see all the stars, honey? You see them all? Stars. Yeah. That's her favorite. Stars.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I cannot breathe.
It's hot. I can't breathe too.
I'm trying to turn
Yeah,
this
I know,
down.
anak. It's hot. I know. I
All right,
can.
then roll the window down. Trying to keep this from fogging up.
There. Wow, much better view with lights and with door down.
nativity scene. There's Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
What's Sophia and Dan and Sophia's mom at?
I don't know. They might be
At the back,
sleeping.
anak. It's at the back.
They might be sleeping.
Ay, Sophia, really? Stop na mag-press.
That's the back.
Yeah, Michael, you're at the back.
Daddy, you're at the back.
Look at that.
Look, there's a
Man lift.
bako.
Look at that. Bucket truck.
Bucket truck, anak.
See?
The truck again.
Look,
And,
bucket truck.
well, that's what's called a man lift. It's actually not a bucket truck. Look at that snowman. That's a nice one, huh? The dog tail.
Yeah.
Like that one. Snowman family, huh? There's a reindeer and a sleigh.
Where's the reindeer in the sleigh?
Right there. You just but right past it. Stars. All right. Look like Santa got an airplane.
There's more goodies in there, baby.
Yeah.
More goodies.
Right.
That was so fun.
It was so fun. Oh my god.
There's a star.
1 million lights.
Look at that star.
There's like 1 million lights.
Yeah, it seems like it. Look at that, a helicopter, Deanne. Michael, over here. See the helicopter?
Helicopter.
Santa playing guitar.
Where's
And
the
so is his ring.
helicopter?
Right here, buddy. Look. See it?
You see that, Michael?
There.
Helicopter.
Now what is this up here, babe? Where we're coming, this blue
Water
thing.
tower.
Oh, it's a water tower. Look at this one. It's a dragon with fire.
What's the dragon?
Right here, buddy.
Fire.
Right here on the left. See?
Water tower.
See over here? Look. You see it with the fire? Huh? See the dragon?
Yeah.
All right, honey. There's a big dog. Look at Santa. He's looking through a telescope, it
That's
looks
right,
like.
Sophia, King. Star.
He's looking somebody. He's looking the elf.
May.
Yeah, you watching,
Finding
honey?
the elf. Santa's finding the elves.
Santa in a snowmobile. All right, there's another nativity scene.
Oh, this is so long.
What's that? Like a big owl on the left, ain't it? A star. There's the star, honey.
Star again.
You don't miss not one single star, do you? She sees them all.
Star.
Here comes another star, honey. Look. Look at a white star on the Christmas tree. That's a nice Christmas tree. I like that one.
Yeah. Oh, the big one with white?
Yeah, that's
That
cool.
one with white. Then
That is
this one
neat.
cute. Beautiful You hair salon. They
little-
donated, babe, every
That's nice.
businesses. This is Mendota Area Senior Services.
Nice.
They donated. The businesses, babe, donated here.
Yeah,
This is this is from the bank, babe. Granville National Bank.
Uh-huh.
And this is Marine Bridal Boutique, babe. This is from donated from Bridal Boutique. Cinderella, babe. Babe, you're so close to the
Lights.
left, babe.
I know.
To the left, you know, hit us. Wow.
Let it snow. Frosty the Snowman.
Another parking lot here, babe.
So which way do I go? This way? Keep going this way? Straight?
This is just parking. If you wanna park,
Happy holidays.
this.
That's like a cupcake. Yeah. Alright.
Star, Sophia.
Ah, looks like a guy in a sofa.
Yeah, in here, if you want to have a break, you can.
Oh, and
break.
park off to the side?
Yeah,
Yeah.
There's so
if you
many.
wanna.
Yeah, there is a lot, ain't there?
It's a lot.
There's an Indian Blackhawks an ornament.
Look at that. There's angel in there. Star.
Oh, look at the star. Where? I don't see. You spotted already, honey? You see a star? Reindeer. Oh my goodness, a lot of reindeer,
A
huh?
lot of reindeers here.
Oh, there's a star.
Ah, star.
There's a star. Yeah, she don't miss not one single star. I wonder when she said star, I'm like, look, she must have found that one.
There's a lot of reindeers.
Now that's pretty cool. It looks like some sort of,
They're
like-
trying to fly.
yeah, it looks like some sort of tractor or something right there, don't it? Do not enter. Oh, I'm like, well, this is the right way. I see that sign. It's like,
It's just
not
regular.
normal. Yeah, we're just driving through the park. We're not
Yeah.
paying attention to the sign. Santa with another motorcycle. There's an angel, honey. See the angel?
He's flying.
Oh, look, another Christmas tree with a star
Star.
and a doggy.
He's flying.
You see the doggy, honey, with the star on the Christmas tree?
Star.
Oh, that's cool. A windmill.
Windmill? Where?
Right there. See the windmill, Michael? Yeah, right here.
Where the windmill?
See, right there.
I can't see it.
Look at Michael.
I'll go slow so you can see it.
This one, baby.
See it? The candy cane. It's got candy cane,
Candy
see?
cane style. Merry Christmas. A lot of extensions here, babe. To get this light, everything.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so long, babe.
It
Like,
is.
we are 30 minutes now here. I'm recording. We are 27 minutes already. I'm recording.
Star, honey. Look.
Star!
Star. Over here. Star. There's an igloo. That's like somebody falling off of it or something, huh?
Igloo?
Yeah, I don't know. Look. I don't know. It looks like something coming off the top, sliding off.
Penguin, babe.
It's a penguin.
That's right, Michael.
And what is this here?